Phone pings at 12:03 a.m. Recording in process. Live view opens. A figure drifts along the sidewalk with a wrong kind of walk. Knees late, shoulders early. They weren't coming here until the bell speaks. They stop like a string snapped, pivot, face my door, and start up the path. Closer, closer. The hood shallows any hint of a face. They lean into the lens, and I feel them looking straight through it. I hit replay. Same steps, same tilt of the head, same breath fogging the edge. Then the clip ends on an empty porch. No retreat, no figure leaving, just gone. Another ping. Motion detected. I rewind 20 seconds. Nothing enters the frame. Play it again. The doorbell cheerfully says, "Recording in process," to still air. A third alert stacks on top. Same timestamp. Same nothing. Safe cul-de-sac. Short lawns. Nowhere to hide. I put the phone down and walk to the door. Peephole shows a clean street. Sodium light. No one. I unlatch. Open. Night stands there, uncomplicated. Mat, bowl, steps, empty. If someone was here, they'd still be here. There's nowhere else to be. Back inside. New clip saved at 12:03 a.m. It should show me on the threshold. It shows the door opening by itself. Air bending the mat. No me. Frame by frame. A single flare in the doorbell LED. A round pressure in the glass like a fingertip from the wrong side. Then nothing. I sit on the stairs and just watch the door. The house thin as paper when you listen too hard. One more ping lens, softer than a knock. New angle available. I don't have another angle, but the clip is already there. No preview. I tap. My hallway appears. Doorknob bright as an eye. The lens too low. It's held at a child's height. The doorbell sound warm against the wood. Recording in process. The knob turns a fraction. Stops. Waits. Behind me, in the real hallway, the same metal whispers under my hand, and the phone pings again at 12:03 a.m. even though the stove clock still says 12:01.